अबाउट दीज थिंग्स कि कल जैसे कि आई थिंक सो ये गैप अप ओपन हो तो 53,53,800 ये ऑलमोस्ट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 दिन से यहाँ पे कंसोलिडेशन है, तो आई थिंक सो ये ऊपर जाए और नीचे जाए, दोनों का साइड का मिल सकता है। तो यू शुड बी थिंकफुल in the market depth. Also in the support and resistance should be stop loss in 20 and 30 rupees. Don't think and don't give the more than anything, and you should think about it and what is the gap down and gap up, and think about the nifty and bank nifty, and you look like that 89 to 89 to today we are discussing about like that कि यहाँ पे हम देख सकते थे 945 पे कैंडल बनी 134 के बाद फिर यहाँ पे गई 192 और फिर उसके बाद नीचे आ गए, और यहाँ पे तुम कॉल साइड का देखोगे, जस्ट लुक इट लाइक दैट। कॉल साइड यहाँ पे 915 पे एक बुलिश कैंडल बनी है, अंदर इसने हाई बनाया और हाई बनाने के बाद ये नीचे आ गई। तो ये दोनों का तुम्हें देखने में ज़्यादा ही चीज़ें समझ में आएंगी, एंड थिंक अबाउट इट लाइक दैट। और ऊपर से आप ये भी देख सकते हो यहाँ पे NSE हाईएस्ट वॉल्यूम, we are look like the algo. This is the Alpha Geo India Limited is Indian based geophysical service company providing a range service and including a seismic data and acquisition, seismic data and processing and interpretation service. The company provides service for the oil, gas and explorations company. It is a provider various service and including the design and pre-planning to the dimensional 2D is there, dimensional 3D service, and the data is the acquisition in the 2D 3D system and the processing for the preparing service, and this is the Alpha Agro। किस चीज़ की कौन सी सेक्टर की कंपनी है? ये है इंजीनियरिंग कंपनी है अल्फा एग्रो। स्पेस Spark also is like that, is very good for like that। इसका एक्सपीरियंस का जाएगा 132 का स्टॉप लॉस और टारगेट 400 तक भी जा सकते हैं, बट इसमें देखना पड़ेगा लॉस मेकिंग है या किस चीज़ की कंपनी है। सन फार्मा स्पास मतलब सन फार्मा एडवांस्ड रिसर्च कंपनी लिमिटेड। इट क्या इज़ एन इंडियन क्लिनिकल स्टेज biopharmaceutical company that is a focus on developing parasitic improving stand for the care and prevention worldwide. The company is a their particular focus in the area of oncology, neurology, numerology, and lead of the analogy and program including the Vodabas name the company the Sun Pharma Advantages Research and Company the Limited Indian based clinical stages and biopharmaceutical company the focus on the developing and therapeutical improvement standard and care for the patients and worldwide. The company is a therapeutical focus in area and oncology program including the vodabatinib and ASO as a limited targeting cases and inhabitants reference and chronological marionews and lenucus and the antibody drugs conjugatives and potential and theater multiple cancers layer and a therapeutical agent and withdraw। ये मतलब ऑलमोस्ट जो है कैंसर की दवाइयाँ बनाती है। दिस इज अ मेन स्पास कंपनी। एंड स्पास के बाद है आपका पापर इज अ ऑटो एंसिलरी पापर is a auto ancillary limited in India based company. The company is engaged manufacturing and automation and steel and system and interior design and exterior injections and models product in India. It is based on focus developing plastic and driver based on extrusions and system, as well as the plastic injection and model and system in for the various induction. And the company is also business in developing high precious plastic injection and tooling various industry. The company product in automotive production and industry product and plastic injections tooling and battery peak product. The company is a service and almost all major original equipment manufacturing OEMs and the passenger vehicle and segment in the casters and need to the commercial and two-wheeler segment. The company is a automotive part business as a manufacturing facility the local of the India, Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu and various and next पगवत के पैरलो पोलो पता नहीं Pearl Poly Limited is Pearl Polymer Limited is an India-based company that is the primarily engaged in the manufacturing and trading and ये TNP जिंकपुरा ये और द BPL ये सारी चीज़ें हैं, देख लो ऊपर ये सारे शेयर्स हैं हाईएस्ट वॉल्यूम में. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.